The contour function is one of the 5 advanced layer functions available in Cricut Design Space. This function is located at the bottom of the Layers panel, and I'm going to explain more in detail what contour lines are and how you can use the contour function to help you create or edit designs in Cricut Design Space. I want the image that is on the right using the image that is on the left. I basically want the silhouette of this image, so that I can use it as an overlay image and do this. So let me actually move it down here, and then I can overlay this on top of the silhouette. So I have this image that I created in a graphic design software, and I want to be able to create the silhouette, which is the image that is on the right. So in order for me to do that, I can simply use the contour function to hide the contour lines, and then that way I'll get the silhouette of the design. You're going to select the layer, and then you're going to click on contour. Once you click on contour, the hide contour window will open, and then you can see your design on the left, and then you will see a series of elements or pieces on the right. If I zoom out here very quickly, you can see that when I click on one of the contours on the right, you will see how they become a lighter gray. So what that is doing is hiding the contours. So I'm going to keep the silhouette, which is this one, and I'm going to hide all contours to do it faster. So basically all of the contours are hidden but one, and typically that's just this one right here, the first one. So when I close the window, you will see that now I've hidden all of the contours inside of this image, and now I get the silhouette. When you use the contour option, there's no need to duplicate your layers. You can simply go back to the contours and you can unhide the contours that you want to get back. If you want to help you do this process quicker, instead of selecting each of the contours, remember that you can select all, hide all or show all in this case if I click again, and then that would allow me to get all my contours back. So let's say I downloaded this image online and I'm going to insert it. I'm going to go ahead and make this smaller because it's too big. And then let's say that I want to keep the banner, but I don't want the balloons. So there are several ways to do this, and if you have seen my slice function tutorial, you could use the slice function to remove the balloons. But we can also look into using the contour function. It all depends on how many contours you have and how easy it is to do. So in this case, I'm going to zoom out to help me a little bit, and you can see that it will be very simple for me to click on the contours and hide them. I'm going to click on the X, and then now I have this. Also notice that this banner has this happy birthday on it, but I don't want the happy birthday word on it. So I'm going to go back and go to the contours, and I'm actually going to select the hide all contour option, and I'm going to hide the balloons, and I'm going to get the banner back. And as you can see, the letters are also graded in dark gray, and that means that they will not be shown in the image. So as you can see, I was able to hide the happy birthday word using the contour function. Another example I wanted to show you was this image here that I downloaded online, and I don't want to use the word Texas from the image. I want to change it to something else, and I want to use, for example, the word home. If you want to remove the letters, you select the layer and then click on the option of contour. As you can see, the word Texas, it's a contour lines, and you can hide all of them, and then that will keep the silhouette, which is the layer at the top, and then there you go. It no longer says Texas. And if you want to modify this image, remember you can use the slice function, and I show you in my slice function tutorial how to create the map of state of Texas with the word home cut through it. I hope this tutorial was very useful to you. Remember that you can leave your comments below. If you want to message me directly on social media, you can do so, and I'll be able to respond faster.